Hi, hello, good afternoon, pretty ladies. How are you doing, all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase lovely, fancy collections. Me under favorite party wear sarees, evening birthday sarees. Very pretty. Let's move on to my saree. The one which I'm wearing is very lovely, half white with sea blue combination. Very beautiful. All over Kardana buttas with pearls. Wavy lines print. Alternate half white and blue wavy lines. Beautiful cutwork border with a Kardana, sequins and pearls. Moti work. Pallu. Running pallu. Ended up with cutwork border. So good. Very beautiful pallu. Yeah. And this is the blouse. Beautiful matka silk blouse with work. Such a good sari. The suits for evening parties, cocktail parties, like New Year parties, theme parties. Very lovely, outstanding sari. And the pricing and details of this is, it's a pure organza fabric. I repeat, it's a organza fabric, pure. 21,648. CF27 is the code. Yeah. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733-733-7000. Do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified so that you'll never ever miss our lovely collection. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. Let's move on to see one more beautiful saree. Such a gorgeous beige color Kora saree. Beautiful checks all over the body. And this is the beautiful bunch of thread work, buttas, flowers, leaves, mirror work, sequins. Border, kanta work, border, zari lines, sorry, not zari lines, kanta work, thread lines, mirrors, and crochet lace here, multicolor lace. Pallu, zari lines pallu with thread work buttas. Blouse, it's very soft and such a falling fabric. And this is a beautiful silk blouse for kanta work. Mottam kuda blouse, completely it's thread work. Wow. Such a beautiful blouse, extraordinary. To grab this gorgeous sari, here is the pricing and details. 9,152. Take a screenshot along with the code CF283 and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Try Roy ji, yes, just stay tuned in our live. I'll be showing yellow color sari. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Next sari, wow, nice. Beige, grey, light grey and black combinations. So pretty, organza sari. There are three different blocks, and in the middle we got nice Kardana and pearl work lines here. And that borders, that sari is separated with three lines, like here. Upper side we got nice cutwork border and downside also same cutwork, sequins, Kardana and pearls. So pretty. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cutwork border. Very lovely. Yes. Blouse, Stunning gorgeous black color blouse with border for sleeves. Chala pretty ga undi. And the pricing and details 27,016. CF54 is the code. Take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. These are pure organza sarees. Next saree. Such a lovely royal yellow and peach color. Mauve pink, mauve peach yellow. Beautiful Kora saree. Printed florals along with the threadwork floral buttas. And this is the border, threadwork border with lace. Kardana and lace here, contrast border. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Very beautiful. Blouse, matka silk blouse, contrast shredded design. Shredded print with Kardana buttas for sleeves. To buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. 8,448. CF32 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. Wow, baby pink. Georgette saree, it's a Georgette. Pratibha Jora ji, yes, maroon color, just stay tuned. I'll be showing, I'll just check with the maroon collection, maroon saree, and I'll show you, Andy. Just stay tuned in our live. Beautiful thread work all over the body. Border, akkadakada mottam saree lo kuda mottam nakshi work undi, nakki work. Border, Gotapati pearl and stone work. Beautiful heavy border it's a, and we got a nice backing, self colored backing. And pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Yes, blouse. Yes, silk blouse for neck, work for neck and sleeves. Such a gorgeous blouse. Look at the blouse. It's a purely party wear. Kuda waistcoat evening time lo. Chala gorgeous untai. And the price is 16,016 rupees. CF52 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. Very lovely yellow color, royal yellow. Shimmer Georgette. All over Gotapati, Zardozi with stone work, buttas. Border Gotapati, stones and Zardozi work with multicolor blocks here. Pallu, running pallu ended up with the same border. Blouse, contrast, shimmery Georgette. It's a like olive green color blouse with a work on sleeves and neck. This is the blouse. Very lovely. And the pricing and details, here we go. It's 14,080. Take a screenshot along with the code CD155 and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yes, now back to our collection. Next saree. Beautiful, lovely peach color. So lovely. That's a blush color actually, blush pink. All over kardana, white color kardana, buttas, florals. Border kardana, moti and sequence work with leaves and florals cut work. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work border. And the blouse, yes, self with all over work for sleeves and neck, and very pretty. Sari pricing and details, here we go. It's 12,760. CF33 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and to ping us on 733 733 7000. Next sari, such a lovely pink color, very pretty Georgette sari. Stripes wala, half white with pink. It's a hot pink, very pretty pink. Pearl work lines and sequence lines. Beautiful cut work border with sequence and pearl work. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work border. Blouse, beautiful Georgette blouse, different color. The fabric is pure crepe. Blouse fabric is pure crepe, sequence and pearl work for neck and sleeves. So gorgeous and so graceful sari. To buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. 18,920. CA462 is the code. Next sari. It's a black color Kora sari. Or printed florals, beige color all over, and along with the pearl work buttas. And border, pearl and zardozi sequence work with a nice piping, golden piping in the ending. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work border, same as the border. Blouse, it's a matka silk blouse, work for neck and sleeves. To buy this beautiful sari, here is the pricing and details. 6,000. CA383 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. Nice. It's a light yellow. Very light yellow green mixed tinted sari. Printed florals and moti and sequence work all over the body. Moti and sequence buttas. Border, cut work border with pearls, kardana, sequins and pearls. Very pretty. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work border. And we got a nice blouse for this. Work for sleeves. Matka silk fabric blouse. To buy this sari, the light mint green, yeah, 19,680, offer price BL628. This is a code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely pink color. Wow, nice color, nice pink. Very bright pink. It enhances your color, skin tone. Chala beautiful pink idi. super pretty all over. Kardana, pearls, zardozi, florals and vines, floral buttas and vines, and gotapati also, but in florals. Border, gotapati, pearl, stones, and kardana, sequence, cutwork. Pallu, running pallu ended up with a seam cutwork border. Blouse, running blouse with work. Sari pricing and details, it's 12,144. CA 400 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Let's see another sari. Beautiful, wow. Light mint green Kora sari, very lightweight. And all over we got very pretty floral buttas. Such a lovely zari and sequence, pearls and zardozi. Gotapati here, very very lovely butta. Border, zigzag and kaddi border. Pallu, zari lines pallu ended up with tassels. Blouse, running blouse. You can go for any other contrast blouse like this, pearl golden color blouse. For customized blouses, contact our brand, for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar. Sari pricing and details 7,200. BS 296 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733-733-7000. Next sari. Wow, nice. Lahariya sari. Beautiful Kora. Very lightweight, superb red color and white combination. Stripes. Plain sari, Lahariya style design print. And border Gotapati cutwork border with pearls. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cutwork. Blouse, self, red color, plain with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 10,824, pure organza. CA363 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next sari, one more lovely Kora sari, printed, a light yellow, royal yellow. Zari thread work lines, checks and beautiful printed florals. Border, thread work border. Beautiful thread work border, complete thread work florals. Here crochet lace. Pallu, running pallu ended up with thread work border. Nice florals, very very big bunch of florals. And blouse, self matka silk blouse with lace, crochet lace. Yes. Sari pricing and details. 14,784. CA489 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next sari. Nice brown color. Kalamkari printed. Brown, beigeish brown, beige and brown mixed. Super pretty kalamkari printed all over the body. Printed florals and vines. And lovely border. Look at the border. Wow. Nice zardozi, kardana, sequence, pearls, mirror work. Such a lovely border. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with buttas and border. Plain ochindi, pallu anta kuda buttas, zardozi buttas. Very very lovely cutwork border. Beautiful blouse, matka silk beige color blouse with border, work border. Too good andi, very very lovely. Sari pricing and details. 21,648. BX806 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and details and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. And I wish you all advance happy new year andariki. So today is the last day of this year, so I'm feeling so embarrassed, but hopefully next year we'll get lots of happiness and let's this COVID Omicron, let's everything gone and be happy, and I wish everyone good luck and happy. Stay happy and healthy. That's it. Let's see another saree. Beautiful satin saree. Very, very lovely. So lovely. Beautiful mint green satin crepe saree. Saree is completely plain and downside we got Swarovski studded kundans. Black, white and golden color and gold and silver. Pallu, running pallu. Ended up with studs and a studded border. And we got a nice ready-made blouse. Bah, self blouse. So cute, na? Short sleeves, very, very lovely. Nice. To buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. 12,496. Take a screenshot along with the code CD172 and send us on 733 7000. Thank you so much, Leela Rani Garu. Thanks a lot. Yes, my sari is very lovely. Very, very pretty sari. And meeku a happy new year. Meeku my family members ki. So you can mention not only about saris, how are you going to celebrate this new year? You can mention in the comment box also. So you can give the better ideas to like us. Yes. Beige color sari, Kora sari, very pretty. All over cut. Border, beautiful catchwork border. It's a thread work, complete thread work. Along with the pearls in Gardana. So lovely. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with border, cutwork border. So lovely. Ilanti cute sarees naku chala ishtam. Ba nachutayi. Blouse. It's a matka silk blouse with thread work. For sleeves and matta. Sleeves kochindi. Saree price vachesi pure Kora 27,016. CF 280 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Next saree, lime yellow, beautiful lime yellow color saree. Tranoy ji, you asked for the yellow color saree, I think, right? Yeah, it's an organza, all over Kardana, sequins and florals. Beautiful sari and border. Lovely gotapati, cut work, stones, Kardana. It's not here, see, both Zardozi and Kardana, stones, pearl border. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with border, heavy work border. Purely party wear sarees. Beautiful yellow color matka silk blouse. Saree fabric is Kora. Almost blouse fabric is matka. Thank you, Shweta Garu. Me name, na name, same. Hope this year brings lots of happiness, Shweta Garu. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and it is 13,520 BM785 is the code. And do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Thank you so much, Shweta Garu. Happy New Year, meeku kuda. And year lo chala next year lo chala happiness and manchi jaragalani nenu bhagavanthuni korukuntunnanu. Next saree, beautiful black kora. Wow, stripes wala, very nice. Bale untayi ee sarees anni kuda fancy sarees. Self stripes, black color stripes vachayi and lovely kardana and pearl sequence buttas. Big florals vachayi printed. See ikkada kuda and beautiful border sequence, kardana, pearl work border, cut work, very nice cut work. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work border. Blouse matka silk blouse. Saree fabric kora vachinappudu matka silk fabric tho manaki blouse vastundi. Beautiful black color blouse with border, very nice. Illa sleeves ki border vachi. Saree pricing and details. It's 20,240. Take a screenshot along with the code CF281. So what are your newer resolutions? You can mention in the comment box how you want to celebrate the new year, and regarding sarees, what all colors you are looking for, you can mention in the comment box. So year lo ide last anamata na live. Wow, super pretty. Such a lovely saree. Awesome. A beige and a brown color. Pratibha Doraji, just stay tuned. I'll try to show you the below 5k, around 5k sarees. Just please stay tuned in our live, ma'am, because I don't know the price exactly by seeing the sarees. Let me check and just stay tuned in my live and I'll be showing. A beautiful saree, sequence, all over sequence work, and lovely cut work border with kardana sequence. And we got a nice backing here, brown color. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border. And this is for half and half saree. Idantha kuda saree madhyalo vastundi pleats ki. Georgette fabric with sequence, star-shaped sequence. Wow, such a pretty saree. And beautiful blouse. Yeah. Thank you, Shanti. Beautiful blouse. She tried to show very pretty, and I'll be showing like this. Yes, very nice. But the evening party wears ki chala beautiful ga untundi. Such a pretty saree, and pricing and details only 10,296. CF282 is the code. Very beautiful saree. And reasonable ga undi, within budget vastundi 10,000 lo. Next saree, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandi.com for everyday exciting deals. Another kora, beautiful kora, brown, beige and light brown stripes wala. All over sequence and pearl stripes, and beautiful cutwork border with pearl and sequence. Such a pretty saree. Very beautiful. And the pallu, running pallu ended up with cutwork border. Blouse, matka silk blouse all over pearl and sequence work for sleeves and hands, neck. And pricing and details 21,648. Take a screenshot along with the code CF279 and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Geeta Garu, hi Andy, Happy New Year in advance. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Brand Mandir is a one-stop solution for all your special occasions. Indian handlooms, Jamnani from Bengal, gorgeous organza, and regal Paithani sarees. To shop all your favorites, click on the follow button and follow all the live shows.
Yes. Next saree. Come on, guys. Oh, మీరందరూ సాడ్గా ఉన్నట్టున్నారు కదా, ఇయర్ వెళ్ళిపోతుందని. Hopefully next year brings lots of happiness. Just come to live. I'm just waiting for your comments. Beautiful saree, light grey, kalamkari, printed kora saree. Very, very beautiful. Florals and vines. And lovely border, threadwork border. With crochet lace. Pallu, running pallu ended up with crochet lace. Blouse, nice matka silk checks blouse, dark grey with crochet lace border. Very, very lovely. Konjam different ga, unique ga undi. Saree pricing and details 10,824. CF277 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Wow, gorgeous pink color. Such a beautiful saree, very lovely. All over, see, variety ga unnai bootas anta kuda, idanta kuda Gotapati work with stones, kardana and thread. Soft organza fabric, border cutwork border with a netted work. Idanta kuda zari to netted work and Gotapati, very, very pretty. Thread work, kardana, pearls, beautiful cutwork border. I just love the border. It's too pretty to handle. Very, very pretty. చాలా ముద్దుగా ఉంది బార్డర్ మాత్రం, క్యూట్గా ఉన్నాయి ఫ్లాస్. పళ్ళు, రన్నింగ్ పళ్ళు ఎండెడ్ అప్ విత్ బీడ్ వర్క్ హ్యాంగింగ్స్. ఇలా హ్యాంగింగ్స్ లాగా వచ్చాయి పళ్ళులో. ఇదంతా కూడా గ్లాస్ బీడ్స్తో హ్యాంగింగ్స్ అండి. కట్ వర్క్ బార్డర్, ఎండెడ్ అప్ విత్ కట్ వర్క్ బార్డర్. అండ్ వీ గట్ అ వెరీ నైస్ బ్లౌజ్ ఫర్ దిస్. ఎస్, matka silk blouse, printed, floral printed blouse with, see, for neck, for sleeves, very pretty. Saree pricing and details, it's 8,096. Chala reasonable andi, 8,096 matrame. CF30 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. In the heavy saree you are getting only for 8,000. So don't miss such kind of sarees. Islanti sarees, designer sarees మళ్ళీ దొరకవండి. సో అందుకనే చెప్తున్నాను, చాలా క్యూట్గా ఉన్నాయి సారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇవాళ. నెక్స్ట్ నైస్ కోరా, రెడ్ కలర్ స్ట్రైప్స్ వాళ్ళ బెనారసీ కోరా, ఆల్ ఓవర్ జరీ స్ట్రైప్స్, టూ గుడ్. బార్డర్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ ఇన్ బ్లాక్స్ బార్డర్. పల్లు, beautiful tissue pallu, zari lines pallu, heavy with border, Gotapati border, Zardozi pearl and Gotapati border along with the tassels. And we got a nice ready-made blouse for this. It's a self. Gotapati work from the front, neck, back neck and for sleeves. Such a beautiful blouse. So pretty. And ee saree pricing and details 18,392. Blouse ke petachandi. CF284 is the code. The blouse is so heavy and so rich. Adi vere ఏ సారీ పైనకి కూడా వస్తుంది. మన దగ్గర ఏదైనా హాఫ్ వైట్ పట్టు కానీ క్రీమ్ కానీ ఉంటే చాలా బాగా సూట్ అయిపోతుంది. సో ఆ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ లవ్లీ గ్రే కోరా సారీ and all over knot work buttas, border floral vines, Banarasi border, zigzag and floral vines, nice contrast backing, zigzag printed design backing. Pallu, zari lines pallu with heavy work here, beautiful thread work, trees, very lovely, chala cute ga undi kadana work. And same we got this a blouse. We got two blouses, double blouses. Yes, we got a matka silk blouse, self plain with border, and another blouse, a semi stitched blouse with work. Too good, too good. Look at the work. Wow, very lovely. And this semi stitched, so 42 వరకు కూడా వస్తుందండి size. And pricing and details 16,632. BZ12 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733-733-7000. Such a beautiful sarees andi, too lovely. Next saree, ఇంకా చాలా sarees ఉన్నాయి, ఫాస్ట్గా చూసేద్దాం. Light and dark peach sequin saree with crochet lace border. Pallu, running pallu ended up with crochet lace. Blouse, georgette blouse, contrast with crochet lace. Saree pricing and details 8,096. CF278 is the code. Next saree. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandi.com, for everyday exciting deals. Next beautiful saree, nice leheria, pink color saree. It's a Kora fabric, falling Kora. Super ga undi, anta kuda leheria style ochindi, criss cross design, so lovely. Gotapati work border, pearls and Gotapati, nice backing, self pink color, and pallu, running pallu ended up with border, Gotapati border, as well as lovely tassels. Blouse, matka silk bandhani printed blouse, so good. Wow, soft ga undi fabric. Price only 6,800. CF550 is the code. Pravita ji, you asked for the sari, right? Around 5k. Only 6,800. Yes, very beautiful. Next sari, mint green, all over thread work with leaves and stems. Border tissue border. The Kora, Banarasi Kora sari. That's a pallu, running pallu ended up with zari lines. Blouse, self, this is linen Kora. The fabric is linen Kora. On the blouse, self plain with border. You can go for contrast blouse, like printed blouse, like that. This parrot green color blouse. And Pravita ji, this one also 5,440. CF51 is the code. Take a screenshot and do so. WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next sari, beautiful tissue sari, alternate gold and silver tissue stripes wala sari. It's a Kora fabric. Beautiful thread work leaf buttas and downside thread work florals. It's a Parsi thread work. beautiful parrots and florals, and downside again threadwork border with diamonds and florals. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with silver border, silver tissue. The blouse, stripes wala, running blouse, tissue blouse, but you can go for any other contrast blouse. For customized blouses, different blouses, lehengas and dupattas, contact our brand, Afa Rupamani and the brand from our brand Mandir. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000, and the sari pricing and details 6880. CF56 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and to ping us on 733 733 7000. Next sari, very lovely pista green color. It's a Kora sari, complete thread work, all over thread work with florals and vines. Nice cut work downside. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with cut work. You get a very gorgeous blouse. It's a Banarasi blouse, matka silk, pink color, very lovely, so cute. Sari pricing and details, it's 7,760. BO767 is the code. And WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next sari, beautiful tussar, kalamkari printed sari, florals all over the beautiful kalamkari printed florals and vines, and that florals are highlighted with complete zari and border, floral vines border with nice backing here. And pallu, huge peacocks and florals, as well as zari work also, and this is the beautiful blouse with border. To buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. 17,600. CA457 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Next sari, light blue, very subtle blue, all over pearl and stonework floral buttas, very small. Border, cutwork border with kardana and pearls with beautiful roses. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with cutwork border, and the blouse self with work for sleeves. Very pretty. It's a Kora fabric. And sari price 24,560. BX BK 350 is the code. Next sari, navy blue, very beautiful navy blue, Kora sari. Koras are very lightweight, very soft saris. Too good. Very, very lightweight. Andaki the heavy saris vesukonna kuda manaku light ga anipistundi. And border all over mirror and pearl work cross lines. Beautiful all over the body, and border, pearls, cut work and kardana, mirror work. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with cut work, border, pearls, and the blouse, we get nice ready-made blouse. Very nice. Pricing and details 8,096. CD 180 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and to ping us on 733 733 7000. And next sari, white and pink alternate stripes Kora sari with thread work, Parsi thread work florals, cute border, thread work, Parsi thread work border, white color thread work, nice piping. Pallu, running pallu, ended up with border, and beautiful blouse. Yeah, it's a blouse, matka silk blouse all over thread work. To buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. It's 13,552. BU32 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and to ping us on 733-733-7000. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yes, next saree. One more pista green saree. Complete stone work, complete all over stone studded and border kuda stone to cut work, Zardosian stone work. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work, stone work border. And this is the blouse, running blouse with border for work and for sleeves and neck. Ila kuda veskochandi contrast. Only 5,036, 5,368. Take a screenshot along with the code CD166. Take a screenshot and do ping us on 733-733-7000. Next saree. Lovely tissue saree. Golden color. Anta kuda thread work all over the body. Thread work to florals and vines. Beautiful border, brocade border. Cross stitches and diamonds. Pallu. Running pallu ended up with silver border. Blouse, running blouse with border. Saree pricing and details. 6,560. CF55 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Nice pink color. Georgette, Banarasi Georgette saree all over buttas, floral buttas and border, Kotapati border with pearls. Nice backing. Self. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border and tassels. Blouse. Yes, we get a running blouse with border. Saree pricing and details. 8,960. Take a screenshot along with the code BR311. Yes. Next saree. Such a pretty saree, white color. So manak next year anta ila high ga white piece to undavandi, happy ga. A beautiful saree, white color. So pretty chicken work. Mottam kuda pearls, chicken curry buttas. Lucknowi style lo undi, but kora paina. Organza paina konch mottam Lucknow work. మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే కదా, మనకి చిన్నప్పుడు ఎగ్జిబిషన్స్ వస్తే లక్నో డ్రెస్సెస్ టాప్స్ అన్నీ తీసుకునే వాళ్ళం. అలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ లక్నో థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ హియర్ విత్ పర్ల్స్. కొంచెం స్టైలిష్గా ఇన్నోవేటివ్గా చేశారు, బట్ వెరీ ప్రిటీ ఆన్ కోరా ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. సచ్ అ లవ్లీ సారీ. I just loved it. And very pretty pallu. Wow, beautiful pallu. Such a gorgeous pallu with mirrors, cross florals and vines, thread work. Super gondi. And this is for blouse. Chala chala mudduga undi. And this is for neck. నాకైతే చాలా నచ్చింది సారీ. Pricing 17,600. CF31 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733-733-7000. Such a beautiful saree andi, very lovely. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ రాయల్ yellow కోరా సారీ, plain saree, such a fabulous color, sequins and pearl work buttas downside and nice cut work with pearls sequins. Pallu running pallu ended up with border and buttas, work buttas. Blouse chuseddam, matka silk blouse for neck and sleeves. Work వచ్చింది for neck and sleeves. Saree pricing 15,752. CF 26 is the code. Yes, take a screenshot and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next saree, nice peach color, Kora, all over, beautiful thread floral buttas, thread work buttas, border nice thread work, florals. Pallu, running pallu ended up with buttas and border. Blouse, matka silk blouse, self with border, thread work border. Pricing and details 12,144. $12,144. Yes. Very pretty. Next saree. Yeah. For more collections and for more details, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. A beautiful mint green Kora saree with zari lines, alternate gold and silver. Border all over sequins and pearl buttas kuda vachai, kardana and sequins pearl buttas. Border cutwork border with sequins, kardana and pearls moti work. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border, cutwork border. Saree pricing and details. Blouse chuseddam. Yeah, I need to show blouse kada. Yes, matka silk blouse, shimmery georgette blouse for work. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది బ్లౌజ్. నెక్కి స్లీవ్స్కి వర్క్ ఇచ్చారు. ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్స్ 11,088. CF 25 is the code. Take a screenshot and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next saree, brown color, silk blouse, silk saree, matka silk saree. Very nice floral zari and kardana stone butta, small, and downside medium size florals with stem and leaves, kardana, pearls and zardozi stone buttas. Pallu, running pallu ended up with buttas and tassels like this. Blouse, we got ready-made blouse, silk blouse, backside complete work and for sleeves. Saree pricing and details 8,096. CD 176 is the code. Yeah. Next saree, beautiful yellow, nice royal yellow, all over sequins and stone studded. Border kuda anta kuda sequins and kardana lines, self colored with nice piping backing. Pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work, kardana lines work. And blouse, yeah, matka silk blouse with work for sleeves and neck. So lovely. Saree fabric Kora. Price is 8,800. CF 628 is the code. CF 28 is the code. Take a screenshot and do ping us on 733-733-7000. Let's move to the mannequin sarees and its prices. Very nice olive green shade Banarasi sari all over Gotapati and pearl buttas. wavy lines and wavy lines to cross checks and beautiful border, Banarasi border zigzag. Nice ready-made blouse, brocade pallu, golden color, very very lovely. Sari pricing and details. It's 16,192. Take a screenshot along with the code BU235 and do ping us on 733-733-7000. Next super pretty sari which is in black satin soft sari. Wow, such a lovely sari, very pretty. See, పల్లుకి ఇలా నైస్గా డిఫరెంట్గా వచ్చింది, స్ట్రైప్స్ లాగా కట్ వర్క్ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫర్ పల్లు డిజైనర్ సారీ అండ్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బార్డర్, ఇలా థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా వచ్చింది. కర్దానా అండ్ థ్రెడ్ వర్క్, యాంటీ థ్రెడ్ వర్క్, యాంటీ కర్దానా, మల్టీ కలర్, ఇలా చూసారా షైనింగ్ వస్తుంది, చాలా ప్రెటీగా ఉంది. అండ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ కూడా బుటాస్ వచ్చాయి, ఇలా థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ బుటాస్. We got a beautiful, stunning, gorgeous blouse, ready-made blouse, black color with work. And sari pricing and details, it's 23,760. CF53 is the code. Next sari, nice yellow color sari, plain sari with all over buttas, just kardana and zardozi buttas and thread work. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్ విత్ పాస్లేస్ థ్రెడ్ వర్క్. ఇది ఈ ఫుల్ బ్లౌజ్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్తో ఇది కట్ వర్క్ చేశారండి, ఇలా పాస్లేస్ షేప్లో. అండ్ కర్దానా, ఇదంతా కూడా నక్షి కర్దానా, వెరీ వెరీ లవ్లీ జర్దోజీ. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు విత్ టాజల్స్, రన్నింగ్ పల్లు విత్ టాజల్స్ అండ్ బార్డర్. అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్ ప్రింటెడ్ బ్లౌజ్, మట్కా సిల్క్, సచ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ బార్డర్, ద కంప్లీట్ వర్క్. Sari pricing and details, 9,064. CA473 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733-733-7000. Yes, such a beautiful sarees. So ippati varaku manam chusina sarees anni kuda, let's have a quick look. I just love this saree, it's too amazing. లక్నోవి సారీ, చాలా డేస్ అయిందండి ఈ లక్నో సారీస్ చూసి. ఇట్స్ సూపర్బ్ ఉంది కోరా పైన. ఇఫ్ యూ మస్ట్ ఎనీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్, టేక్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ నా. సచ్ అ లవ్లీ సారీస్. ఇది కూడా చాలా ప్రెటీగా ఉంది, డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది. పింక్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది, కొంచెం యూనిక్గా వచ్చింది, ఇలా ప్రింటెడ్, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా. అండ్ అది వర్త్ అండి, రీజనబుల్గా ఉంది, చాలా చాలా క్యూట్ ఉన్నాయి సారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా, నాకైతే చాలా నచ్చేసాయి. సో హోప్ యూ ఆల్ లైక్ అవర్ టుడేస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గార్జియస్ ఫ్యాన్సీ సారీ కలెక్షన్స్. ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనకి ఎక్కువ కోరానే ఉన్నాయి. సో కోరా వచ్చినప్పుడు సారీ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్, బ్లౌజ్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ మట్కా వస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఆ కోరాతో బ్లౌజ్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అనేది కొంచెం టఫ్ టు స్టిచ్ అనమాట, అండ్ ఎక్కువ కాలం ఉండదు అనమాట. సో ఈ కోరాస్ మనం సారీస్ కొన్నా కూడా నీట్గా మెయింటైన్ చేసుకోవాలి, అలాగే మడత పెట్టి పెట్టకూడదు. సో కీప్ ఆన్ ఫోల్డింగ్, అంటే మళ్ళీ తీసి కొంచెం ఫోల్డ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉండండి ఎవ్రీ 15 డేస్కి. అండ్ ఇట్స్ బెటర్ టు హ్యాంగ్ అనమాట, హ్యాంగర్కి హ్యాంగ్ చేస్తే లాంగిటివిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కోరా సారీస్. సో టు మెయింటైన్ సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సారీస్ ఐ గేవ్ సమ్ టిప్స్. సో అవి మెయింటైన్ చేస్తూ సారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా భద్రంగా మీ వార్డ్రోబ్లో దాచేసుకోండి. అండ్ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ లైక్ యువర్ టుడేస్ లవ్లీ కలెక్షన్. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు పింక్ చేయండి 733-733-7000 అన్న నెంబర్కి. అండ్ దిస్ లైవ్ వీడియో విల్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So you will be having 24 hours time to grab this beautiful sarees at Weavers Prices. See you in another live. Until then, bye bye, take care. We missed this year, and advance happy new year andarki. Bye bye, stay blessed.
పాండమిక్ టైమ్స్ లో షాపింగ్ చేయాలి అనుకుని ఆగిపోతున్న వారికి బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ వాళ్ళు ఒక అద్భుతమైన అవకాశాన్ని కల్పిస్తున్నారు. అదే ఈజీగా ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్. మీరు బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ వారి యూట్యూబ్ పేజ్ కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, లేదా ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజెస్ లో కూడా బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సారీస్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ ని చూసుకొని అందులో నుంచి ఆన్లైన్ లో షాపింగ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.